Getting my mods back. Part 1. First we got Candy Cleaver. It doesn't go through any melon, but kills a little bit. Next is 2 of these 1x, 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 1 swords. And another sword. Oh! 1v1. That was easy. And then next. These are not my mods. I'm telling you. The FBE mod pack, of course. Why? Why am I mistakes? Stop. Oliver. Sipo. I literally did like Baldi! Lagging. Next is and next is try. Next is the try. Oh my god! I'm gonna make this so small. I was just testing something. I also made this. I'll be showing you my safety. First, we got a basket. Yes, a little basket. Next is chomper. I call it the chompine because low. That's it, the duck. Next is craze. Ow! Right on the leg. He has a big arm. Oh, no.
2 games though.
Oh, no. I get some big pieces.
Tago kaya yun?
I don't want to get eaten. I should have made that a worm. I'm out of here.
Doon, nakuha na si Gary Plus niya pa ako. Swerte ah, dapat yun to. Binili ko yung 2,000.
Get up.
Pera eh. Luma ko.
No, I'm sleeping.
Oo. Ha?
Alright.
Binili ng 2,000 eh.
Guess you will learn
Tapos
a
makukuha mo lang
lesson.
ganyan-ganyan lang. Yan. Gago, meron pa yung ano, kunin mo pa sa
Lesson?
item yan. Oo, alam ko, bibili mo. Alam ko, 1,000 pera. Ah, 500.
Oh, wala pala dito.
Tutok na tutok ba yan, TV? Pre, nakaganon yung isang mata, yung isa nakaganon. Nakatutok talaga yun, siyempre dahil yan eh. Ay, mahal ah. Wala? Tapos na eh.
I reprise! Zeus, strike this! Ah! I can't believe quick stop. Save you. Ow! Okay, you get to the side. This is step 4 of my OC, and now this is my OC now.
Yun na mga nakaiman.
I forgot to show over. Oh wait, no. Next is I don't know. Let me show you. It is a little bit air.
Diba nakikita mo yung mga parang pillars? Ayan, may 20. Gagawin mo doon, papatay ka ng enemies malapit doon para matanggal yun. Tapos,
Oh!
20 ka na.
Well, that's all. If you want me to do part 2, it's next week.